Prolam is growing. Even this year, we have added another 3,000 square meters to our company. A lot of work went into it: renovation, construction, welding, painting. Just take a look for yourself. Now we operate across 7 buildings, all located close to one another, forming the growing Prolam District. To further improve our logistics, we also have installed a new overhead crane in one of our production facilities. That was a big project as well. It helps us ensure the highest quality standards and, of course, the best service and delivery performance. And we are not stopping here. More upgrades are planned for 2027. Growing for our customers, growing with our customers. Visit us at the Prolam District.